GSC again. Out here with the old OG 54, and the headlight switch, as you can see, is a little baked. I got a new one here. I'm gonna work on getting him installed, and we'll see how this goes. Headlight switches together, all the wiring's on. I've got to push this little detent guy here in the back when I pull out the actuator here, and that will actually disengage it, and that way I pull the actuator knob off and slip it back behind the dash. Headlights dimmer switches in, turn it. Oh, look at that. I have gauge lights, and they do dim. Turn off. Cool. Everything works again. That's a win.